Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Bing AI image generator. This is very important because essentially you can create all these cool ideas simply by inputting your prompt or your vision or your imagination in the form of a text. I want you to think about something when you look at these images. Everything that you see over here was a text prompt prior. Okay, so the only inspiration here comes from your imagination. So the main idea after you create your account and you log in into image creator at Bing, what you want to do over here is that you want to create a very important and detailed prompt. So the more details you include in your prompt, the better the results and the output will be. As you can see over here, this is a family of bears preparing for hibernation in their den. Okay, if you look at over here, a cozy cabin in the woods surrounded by colorful autumn leaves. Look at this, a close-up of a red marble leaf in the veins and spots detaching from a branch. Look at this, haunted castle with a dark knight in front of it, 1970s dark fantasy book cover. So guys, essentially now we're going to create something amazing. Last time I did had another video on the topic. You want to make sure you check it out. We created New York City, the island of Manhattan, in the middle of the ocean, which was mind-blowing. So in our example over here, we are going to create something surreal. We want to see create Manhattan, New York City, as if we live in the clouds and make it obvious that the earth is down there under the sky cities. What else we can include? I think that's okay. Let's see what kind of results we're going to get. It's very nice, guys. This is simply powered by Dalio, which is one of the best, if not the best image generator. So what we can see over here, the first one I don't like, second one, third one, not so cool results. Let's pick this and let's take a look. I mean, it looks okay. Doesn't feel that we have the potential. Let's see this one. If I remove the ear, this might actually be good. But let's see the other ones, because I don't know why they include the ear, right? Let's see this one. This one looks good, in fact. This one looks good if I remove everything around the hands, right? If I simply remove everything around the hands, you might be onto something and replace all the surrounded background with the clouds. Okay guys, I don't think this is exactly remove the body elements and make the background around the city in the sky. You need to learn how to play with this, guys. Don't forget, we do have to attach and be very good with prompting. Prompts are the most important tool that you want to focus over here. Everything else could simply not be perfect, but the prompts have to be detailed and have to help the algorithm to really, envision what you really want to see. I mean, not remove the ear. So far, so good, my dear friends. In the other video that I created, it was so easy from the first path. We just got what we're looking for. Sometimes, obviously, it takes a while, but with a little practice, you know exactly how to place your order, how to place your prompts. As you can see over here, we're getting more clouds and more clouds and more clouds. So if I come over here, you will see this is very, very similar to what we're looking at. And it looks cool. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.